Yes, hello viewers, this is Hassan, and in this video we are going to look at how to make a presentation software. In the previous video we saw that how our introduction, I introduced you to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we are going to see how do we make a presentation software. As usual, you go to the icon, see there. Yes, you open the icon. So since the app that I'm using is affecting this blank page, I will use this one. So remember, we need a blank page. Yes, so that first page, the first slide always indicates that the title and the content. But if you don't want that slide, you can come and again choose the slide that you want, maybe title slide only. So this one can be deleted. Yes, this slide can be yes, I said this slide can be deleted. Yes, you can delete this slide if you don't want it. You come to the slide, right click. Yes, right click to the slide, and then they will bring these options: whether to insert a new slide, whether to duplicate the slide, whether to delete the slide. That's in case if you have inserted a slide that you don't want, so you delete. That means that I only have the slide that I selected. So you can come and again choose any slide. That and content, is that what you want? Any. Okay, let us say that I'm presenting a wildlife education. I'm talking about educating about wildlife. So in the title slide I might need to include like that is wildlife in the title slide. The title slide, let me say that I want to include wildlife, that is in the title. So I might also need to include the name of the presenter. That, let us say yes, Hassan is the name of the presenter. Let us say that is it. So in the next slide I might need to give, let us say in this slide, I don't need this. Let me say that I might need to include examples of wildlife. See, examples of wildlife. Let us say that in the next slide, but this is not suitable for that. So what I will do, I will just delete, as I told you, because you don't need it. Delete. Maybe if the next one also you don't need, you also delete. So you come here and insert a slide that is title and content. That's what I need. So in this I might put examples of wildlife. So come and include let us say lion Z, let us say you can say zebra, let us say tigers, monkey. So whatever you include, it's your choice. So let us say that you want to talk about the locations, of other parks that where we normally find the parks. Where we normally find those wildlife. So let us talk about the Serengeti. Let's say that Serengeti. Let us talk about the Murchison Falls. and other packs. There are various packs that you can talk about, but what I'm trying to say is, to show you, is you can make anything that you want to. If whether it is a comparison slide, you can use this one. If I want to compare the things, yeah, if I want to compare the things that let us say that I want to compare, let us compare. We are talking about the slides. Let us compare those wildlife that are aquatic and those that are terrestrial. Let us say that we want to talk about that aquatic wildlife, and let's say terrestrial. Yes, and let's say terrestrial. So for this, you can say that comparison, the title, what is all about comparison of aquatic and the terrestrial. So what sorry, not comparison. Let us say example. That will be the best. That will be the best to use. Yes, I was saying we don't use comparison, we use examples. So I must remove this comparison. Yeah, comparison, and I say example of aquatic. So what I'm trying to show you, that importance of this slide that shows the comparison of two contents. So you can say like those let us say the hippo, the snakes, let us say the crocodiles, the crocodiles, whatever. So in this you can say the lions. See, you can say the lions, you can say the zebra, and so on. So this is how this slide will look like. So see, so if you want, you can put some let us say designs in those slides if you want. So there is that slide, whatever you want. See, that's how it will look. If you want this, if you want this, see. So normally you can present what you are making to the public, like when you have designed your work. So you can also include some transitions. You have many if you want. So you see, how is your work, how do you want your work to be presented? There are many. How do you want your work to be presented? See, whatever the transition that you need, animations are there. So yeah, simply, it is simple and enjoyable to use. Yes, it is simply and enjoyable to use. So briefly, that's how you can use the Microsoft PowerPoint to present any given information that you want. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting study videos that I usually make. Thanks.